Congratulations.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Feeling pretty good. It's really tough to play in such wet conditions and to be able to win by 70 runs, 70 odd runs. I think it's just clinical performance. And, I feel, putting them under pressure, it's always, I feel, was a blessing in disguise for us at the toss. So definitely, I would say a great win for us.
Yeah, I'll come to that. But first, I meant, how are you feeling? Because you had the physio in a couple of run-ins, but 20-meter, 30-meter run come to you while you were batting and then while you were fielding. Everything is good?
Everything is good. It's just that there are too hot and humid conditions. And even in the last game, I was throughout the 20 overs, again fielding 20 overs. And even today, I was almost there for 19 overs. So a little bit tough to breathe. But I was just making sure that I take the time and not really rush myself. So just the physio for that.
Were you really rushed when you were around 93 or 94? Because, of course, the humidity was there and the power in the strokes not coming. Did you feel that pressure at 98?
No, I was never even thinking about 100. I just wanted to make sure that we get to 220, 225, whatever extra runs possible. Because, even the last game, I wasn't thinking about the 100. It was just about getting that 5, 10, 15 extra runs. And honestly feeling I was more disappointed with, I missed few 4 or 5 hits at the back end, and at the innings break I really thought that it can make a difference, so I was really upset, but thankfully it ended up in a winning note.
Yeah, the target could have been closer to 225 or 230. Would you say that just the target 213 on the board was enough, or you'll say that the bowlers got the start that Chennai needed right at the beginning?
I think both. It was enough obviously, but last game we made some errors, and we knew that some loose balls here and there, not really up to the mark in the field. That really made the difference, and we just came up with another plan. I think today we were outstanding in the fielding, took all the catches. That was the difference, and we stick to our plans. We knew that what conditions were and what to expect. So definitely, I think the improvement was there, and I was. With the impact player rule, you always want the 20 runs. You never know what the par score is. Sometimes you end up 220, you still feel that, probably 10, 15 runs still short. So not really sure, but at the end, all is good.
And the start that Tushar Deshpande gave to the team as well. I know he's been looking for those wickets. He's been bowling well in different areas of the game as well. But the start, would you feel that that's the perfect one for the CSK team in defending a target?
Definitely. I think that was one area where in two, 3 games where we lost momentum was not getting enough wickets in the power play. And I feel wickets in the power play, with the impact player rule definitely puts pressure on the opposition. That's the only way that can put the opposition on the back foot. And I feel, yes, he bowled really well and he's doing hard work throughout the season. Even last year, previous to that, I think he's really doing well. And, I think his hard work is paying off. But special mention to Jaddu as well. In this wet conditions, 4 over 20, 25 odd runs, for me, that was the match turning spell.
The last one, Ritu. Are you a very vocal captain in the dressing room, or you just let the conditions say it all?
No, I'm not really vocal. Everyone is experienced in the dressing room, and you can't really go up to the seniors and tell them what to do and what to not. So it's better that you take the back seat and let them do their job.
Have a good rest, Ritu, because you'll be playing a few more matches back here.
Thank you.